Good morning, ma'am. Could you please suggest some important editorials to read today?
Yes, absolutely. There's a very important editorial in the Hindu's opinion section today, so come, let's have a look. The editorial is over 77% of Rajasthan's illegal mining FIRs filed in Aravali district. Recent proposed changes threaten to aggravate the situation by removing the protections. Now, imagine a huge mountain range in Rajasthan called the Aravali Hills. We all know it has been in headlines. Now, these hills are very old and very important because they stop deserts from spreading, hold rainwater, and support forests and animals. Now, here's the biggest problem. Even though mining, digging out stones and minerals is tightly controlled in this area, a lot of illegal mining is actually happening here. What did the report find? See, more than 77% of all illegal mining cases in Rajasthan come from the Aravali districts, and these districts produce only about 45% of Rajasthan's minerals, but they create most of the illegal activity. From 2020 to 2023, nearly 28,000 illegal mining cases were filed in Rajasthan, and Aravali districts alone had over 17,000 of them. So even though Aravali don't produce most minerals, they are being exploited the most. Why is this actually happening? See, because the government is trying to change how the Aravali hills are officially defined. Earlier, if land had hills higher than 100 meters and the slope was above 3 degrees, it was called part of Aravali. Mining was restricted. Now the new proposal says only the land which much steeper slopes and higher hills will count as Aravali. That means large part of the real Aravali hills will stop being called Aravali itself, and if they are not Aravali on paper, mining becomes legal there. Why is this dangerous? See, the Aravali range stops desert sand from spreading, helps bring rainwater, supports forest, animals and groundwater. If we allow more mining, more trees will go, less rain will come, more heat, dust storms and water problems, wildlife will suffer. Basically, North India will become hotter, drier and more polluted. In simple words, the government is changing the definition of Aravali hills in a way that will open them up for mining. This could destroy one of India's most important natural shields, and illegal mining is already out of control there. It's like shrinking a no-cut forest zone on a map so that people can legally cut trees, and nature will pay the price. Now let us talk about the UPSC relevance of the whole topic. So this is highly important in GS paper 1, which is geography and environment, in GS paper 2, which is governance and constitution, in GS paper 3, environment and sustainable development, and for prelims also this article becomes highly important. If you want a deeper analysis of this editorial, please go watch our DNA video, and that's it for today. Thank you for watching.